Databox helps you centralize your data, then use it to make better decisions and improve your company's performance. To get started, integrate your data sources so you can view your most important KPIs and metrics all in one place. Pull metrics from 100+ software tools in a few clicks. Integrate custom data through SQL databases and APIs. Or pull in metrics that software can't track by entering it into spreadsheets and syncing those. You can choose from thousands of pre-built metrics like cost per click and closed-won deals, or create custom and calculated metrics to track things like homepage conversion rate, return on ad spend, or number of leads sourced from LinkedIn. Once you've finished, visualize your performance with beautiful custom dashboards. Just drag and drop the metrics you want to view and choose the perfect chart to visualize them. View metrics from multiple sources side by side in the same dashboard. Compare your current performance to multiple time periods or loop multiple dashboards together to give viewers a bigger picture. You can share your dashboards with anyone so they can view real-time performance on demand. And if you're not sure where to start, try one of our one-click templates. Use reports to present performance to stakeholders automatically. Add data stories to give your viewers more context, adding elements like metrics, time periods, and percentage of change, which update automatically before sending. You can also display dashboards or individual metrics and schedule your reports to send PDF presentations with the most current data automatically. Set goals for any team or individual and track their progress from one place. Get notified when goals are off track so you can make proactive changes or receive automatic updates on Slack, email, or our mobile app. Use benchmarks to see where you're performing well and where there's room for improvement. You can benchmark just about any metric and apply filters like company size, revenue, industry, and more to compare yourself to companies like yours. Use it to find opportunities to improve, to show stakeholders where you're ahead of the curve, or to set goals based on the numbers that top-performing companies are achieving. With forecasts, your team can predict future performance to plan better now. Select the metric you want to forecast along with the time period you want to analyze and view how you're anticipated to perform. You'll also see upper and lower forecasts, so you can plan for best and worst case scenarios. Use it to create more accurate plans and set optimistic but achievable goals. Finally, use notifications to monitor your performance and keep your team or clients in the loop so they always know how they're performing. Create scorecards to get automatic updates on 15 metrics, or Metric Digest to get detailed weekly performance updates of your most important ones. Set alerts to get notified if important metrics increase or decrease by a certain amount. You can also schedule recurring snapshot images of your dashboards so recipients can visualize them without having to log in. And read performance summaries to get a quick summary of how you're doing so you're always in the loop. Don't just track your performance, improve it. Try Databox today.